Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manage their finances while others struggle? The truth is that our relationship with money is deeply personal and shaped by our experiences, beliefs, and even emotions. In this video, we'll explore the hidden forces that influence our financial decisions. We'll uncover the money scripts we develop early in life, how they impact our behavior, and what we can do to rewrite them for financial success. Money scripts, the code we live by. Unveiling your financial blueprint. In the world of personal finance, understanding money scripts goes beyond simple categories. Let's explore a framework often used by financial therapists, the money script matrix. This matrix combines two key aspects. Money beliefs. These are your fundamental convictions about money. Do you see it as a source of security, freedom, or stress? Money attitudes. These reflect your behavioral tendencies. Are you a spender, saver, or a bit of both? Examples of money scripts in action. Let's see how money scripts play out in real life. Sarah, money avoidance, spender. Raised by frugal parents, Sarah developed an aversion to saving. Now she overspends to avoid feeling deprived, often justifying purchases as treats. David, money worship, saver. David witnessed his family struggle financially. He became obsessed with saving, neglecting his own needs and relationships due to his fear of running out of money. Emily, money status, spender. Growing up in a wealthy family, Emily equated her self-worth with her designer wardrobe and lavish vacations. Now she struggles with debt despite a good income. Breaking free from the script, practical steps. Understanding your money script is the first step. Here's how to rewrite your financial narrative. 1. Track your spending. Awareness is key. Track your income and expenses for a month to identify spending patterns linked to your script. 2. Challenge your beliefs. Question the assumptions behind your money script. Are they realistic or holding you back? 3. Develop empowering beliefs. Craft new money beliefs that align with your financial goals. For example, money is a tool for achieving my dreams. 4. Create a financial plan. Develop a budget and savings plan that reflects your new money script and values. Remember, rewriting your money script is a journey, not a one-time fix. Be patient, celebrate your progress, and seek professional guidance if needed. The Money Script Matrix, a tool for self-discovery. The Money Script Matrix is a powerful tool for self-discovery. By pinpointing your location on the matrix, you gain valuable insights into your financial psychology. Use this framework to explore. Are your beliefs and attitudes in alignment? For example, someone who believes money is security but spends impulsively has conflicting tendencies. Where do you want to move within the matrix? Do you want to feel more secure with your spending? Move up? Perhaps you crave more financial freedom. Move right. How money scripts affect us. The invisible hand on your wallet. Money scripts aren't just theoretical concepts. They have a real and powerful impact on our everyday financial decisions. Here's a deeper dive into how these scripts influence our financial behavior. Shaping our spending habits. Money avoidance. People with this script might engage in emotional spending to cope with stress or uncomfortable feelings about money. They might also avoid looking at bank statements or bills, leading to a snowball effect of debt. Money worship. This script can lead to impulse purchases and keeping up with the Joneses. The desire to portray a certain image through material possessions can drain savings and lead to financial strain. Money status. People with this script might prioritize expensive brands and experiences to feel successful, even if it means sacrificing long-term financial goals. This script can also lead to risky investments in an attempt to get rich quickly. Money vigilance. While saving is important, this script can become extreme. People might deprive themselves of necessary expenses or experiences due to an overwhelming fear of running out of money. Beyond spending, a holistic impact. Money scripts don't just affect how we spend, they influence us. Earning potential. Someone with a scarcity mindset, believing money is limited, might shy away from career advancements or salary negotiations, hindering their earning potential. Debt management. People with money avoidance might be more likely to accumulate debt due to emotional spending or avoidance of financial realities. Those with money vigilance might be too restrictive, hindering opportunities for wealth creation through strategic borrowing. Investment decisions. Money worship can lead to risky investments in a desperate attempt to get rich quickly. Conversely, Money avoidance might make someone overly cautious, missing out on potential growth opportunities. The ripple effect: how money scripts impact relationships. Money scripts can also affect our relationships with partners, family, and friends. Disagreements about spending habits or financial goals can arise if partners have conflicting money scripts. Open communication and compromise are crucial to navigating these situations. Empowering ourselves. Breaking free from the script's control. The good news is that money scripts are not set in stone. By recognizing their influence, we can take control of our financial narrative. Here are some ways to break free. Journaling. Reflect on your upbringing and past experiences with money. Identify any negative money scripts you might have inherited. Cognitive reframing. Challenge your limiting beliefs about money. Replace them with empowering affirmations that align with your financial goals. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial therapists or counselors who specialize in the psychology of money. Rewrite your money script. Reprogramming your financial DNA. Unveiling your money script is just the first step. Now, it's time to rewrite the narrative and create a financial future that empowers you. Here's a deeper dive into practical steps to transform your money script. 1. Deep dive into your money story. Unearth the roots. Go beyond identifying your script. Explore your childhood experiences, parental messages, and cultural influences that shaped your beliefs about money. Journaling about significant money memories can be a powerful tool for self-discovery. Identify triggers. Pay attention to situations that evoke emotional spending or avoidance behaviors. Are there specific places, emotions, or people that tempt you to stray from your financial goals? Recognizing your triggers is crucial for developing coping mechanisms. 2. Challenge your money beliefs. Question the assumptions. Don't accept limiting beliefs at face value. Ask yourself, is this belief truly serving me? Or, is there another way to look at this situation? Challenge scarcity mindsets and replace them with affirmations of abundance and possibility. Reframe your narrative. Craft empowering counterbeliefs that align with your financial goals. For example, instead of, "I never have enough money," adopt a statement like, "I am capable of managing my finances effectively and attracting financial abundance." 3. Design your ideal financial future. Vision board. Create a visual representation of your financial aspirations. Include images that represent your dream home, travel goals, or desired lifestyle. Visualizing your success strengthens your motivation to rewrite your money script. Set SMART goals. Don't just dream. Translate your vision into actionable steps. Create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals that move you closer to your financial dreams. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable milestones to celebrate progress along the way. 4. Build a supportive financial ecosystem. Find your financial cheerleaders. Surround yourself with positive influences who support your financial goals. This could be a friend, family member, or a financial coach who can offer guidance and encouragement. Seek professional help. Consider consulting a financial therapist or counselor specializing in the psychology of money. They can provide tools and strategies to address deep-seated beliefs and emotional triggers that might be hindering your financial progress. 5. Take action and celebrate milestones. Create a budget. Develop a spending plan that reflects your new money script and financial goals. Utilize budgeting apps or tools to track your income and expenses, ensuring you stay on track. Embrace small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Reaching a savings milestone or sticking to your budget for a month are all victories worth celebrating. This reinforces positive financial behaviors and keeps you motivated. The psychology of money. Beyond scripts. Unveiling the hidden forces. Shaping your finances. Money is more than just numbers in a bank account. It's deeply intertwined with our emotions, experiences, and values. While money scripts offer a powerful framework for understanding our financial psychology, the world of money psychology goes even deeper. Here's a glimpse into some of the fascinating psychological forces that influence our financial decisions. 1. The power of framing. The way information is presented can significantly impact our choices. For instance, framing a discount as a loss, e.g., "Don't miss out, save 50% or it's gone," can trigger a fear of missing out and lead to impulsive purchases. Understanding framing tactics can help you make more conscious financial decisions. 2. Anchoring bias. The first piece of information we encounter can anchor our perception and influence subsequent decisions. For example, if you see a pair of shoes initially priced at $200 and then find them on sale for $150, you might perceive them as a great deal, even if the original price was inflated. Being aware of anchoring bias allows you to research and compare prices before making a purchase. 3. The endowment effect. We tend to value things we own more highly than those we don't. This can lead to bad financial decisions, like holding on to losing investments simply because we're emotionally attached to them. Recognizing the endowment effect helps you make investment decisions based on logic and long-term goals, not emotional attachment. 4. The sunk cost fallacy. Clinging to a losing proposition because of past investments is a common trap. We throw good money after bad to justify our initial investment. Recognizing sunk costs allows you to cut your losses and reallocate resources toward more promising opportunities. 5. The law of diminishing returns. The more of something we have, the less additional satisfaction we get from each additional unit. This applies to material possessions as well. Focusing on experiences and relationships that bring lasting joy can lead to greater fulfillment than chasing the next purchase. 6. The paradox of choice. While having many options seems ideal, an overabundance of choices can lead to decision paralysis and ultimately dissatisfaction. Streamlining financial products and investment options can help us make clearer, more focused choices. Understanding these psychological influences empowers you to make informed financial decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Here are some additional tips. Practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your emotions and how they influence your spending habits. Mindfulness meditation can be a valuable tool for developing self-awareness. Develop healthy habits. Create routines and systems that support your financial goals. Automate your savings to eliminate the temptation to spend and schedule regular budget reviews to stay on track. Embrace delayed gratification. Learning to prioritize long-term goals over instant gratification is crucial for financial success. Develop strategies to resist impulsive purchases and focus on building wealth over time. By understanding the psychology of money, we can gain control of our finances and make sound decisions that build a secure future. Remember, financial success is about more than just the numbers. It's about building a healthy relationship with money that serves your values and goals. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below with a money myth you used to believe, and be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Let's break free from these myths and build a brighter financial future together.